Welcome to our surprise egg adventure. Today, we have 4 amazing surprise eggs waiting to be opened. Look at these beautiful colors. We have a blue egg, a red egg, a yellow egg, and a green egg. I wonder what surprises are hiding inside each one. Let's find out together. Let's start with the blue egg. What do you think is inside?
It sounds like something fun.
Are you ready to see the surprise? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, open! Wow! It's a tiny blue car.
Vroom, vroom.
This car is so fast and cool. What a fun surprise! Now let's move on to the next egg.
Now let's see what's inside the red egg.
I wonder what it could be. You have any guesses?
Let's count down again.
1, 2, 3, open!
Roar!
It's a little red dinosaur. Isn't it adorable?
I love dinosaurs.
This one looks ready for a big adventure. 2 eggs down, 2 more to go.
Let's see what's next.
Next up is a yellow egg. It's so bright and sunny. What surprise do you think is inside?
Let's find out together.
1, 2, 3, open!
Quack, quack! It's a cute little yellow duck.
It looks ready to swim in a pond.
What a sweet surprise!
Only 1 egg left. I can't wait to see what's in the green egg. Finally, we have the green egg. I wonder what the last surprise could be.
Let's find out together.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, open! Ribbit! Ribbit, ribbit! It's a tiny green frog.
How cute is that?
This frog looks like it wants to jump and play. What a wonderful surprise! Wow, what amazing surprises we found today!
A blue car, a red dinosaur, a yellow duck, and
A green frog! Which one was your favorite?
see you next time!